So I don't know if you've noticed, but the market has had a really crappy week this week. So do I dare make a M1 finance account update video? Yes, I do dare. So today we are going to take a look at how my Roth IRA that I have through M1 is doing and how my general investing account is doing through M1. But first, coffee. Yes, I just rolled out of bed, but I really wanted to get this video up, and then I have got to start getting ready for work tonight. So let's dive in, shall we? All right, this is my general investing account with M1. In here I have my variation of the SPHD, which is a high yield, low volatility dividend fund. Mine has no expense ratio, however. I also have the cannabis ETF, YOLO, and Tesla, and as y'all can see, everything is in the red. Everything is down this week. It's just been a rough week in the market, and that's the way it goes sometimes. Y'all can tell by looking at this graph, when I put my $10 in every Monday, it jumps up a little bit, but at the very tip top there, you can see where it's starting to go down pretty steeply. Is a recession coming? Some say yes, some say no. It just goes to show you that nobody really knows what the market's going to do. More red, but hey, on the plus side, at least I earned 86 cents in dividends, right? Those returns though, ouch. And this is taking a look at all the individual stocks that's making up my variation of the SPHD. I arranged them from the ones that are in the green down to the ones doing the worst in the red. So there's not a whole lot of green here. There's a few in there that are doing okay despite how the market as a whole is doing right now. But most of them are about break even or in the red. So here we go with the red ones. Even Disney is down, y'all. Disney was one I was excited for. And Invesco is doing the worst at nearly 30% down. Awful. So that was kind of scary looking, wasn't it? Let's see if my Roth IRA is doing any better. And the Roth IRA is also in the red. Guys, the market is just really struggling. That's all there is to it. You can see here, overall return down 5.63% and almost $100. Yikes. This Roth IRA is comprised completely of ETFs. I have Vanguard's REIT ETF, their small cap ETF, their small cap value ETF, and the total stock market in there. And as you can see, everything is red except for the REITs. And here is my graph for the Roth IRA. Again, you can tell whenever I throw big chunks of money in there, but overall, the growth looks like it's on the downward trend, which matches that negative return that I'm getting right now. And here it is all spelled out again for you. Again, negative $92.31 with a negative return of almost 6%. Ouch. All right, guys, that was a whole lot of red and a whole lot of negative returns. Am I right? So the question you may have is, how is my investing strategy changing with this market downturn and everything going down and being in the red? And the answer to that question is not at all. In fact, I wish that I had larger chunks of money right now that I could throw into the market, because I would be buying everything at a good deal, so to speak. So if I had some extra money, then I would throw it in the market. But since I don't, my investing strategy is going to stay the same. I'm going to continue to add $10 every Monday into my general investing account. And the Roth IRA, the plan is to still max it out by the end of the year. And to do that, I need to put in $850 every month. So with that, we will get into the fire and investing section of my budget next. All right, here is the investing and fire tracking section of my budget for the month of August. Quick rundown here. First column is the account in question. Second column is what I have budgeted to put into those accounts this month. Third column is what I have actually put into those accounts for this month. Fourth column is just keeping track of the account balance. The fifth column is keeping track of the growth from month to month or the loss, as the case may be. And the last column is the percentage of my income. So for my general investing, M1, the first row there, I budgeted to put in $40 for the month because there's 4 Mondays in August, and the actual column has $40 in it so that I can make sure my budget stays balanced and that the $10 will be there every week when M1 automatically takes it out. So I have not actually put in the $40 yet for this month, but yeah, I have it there just to keep my budget balanced. And overall, the account is sitting at $183.06, which is $2.51 more than last month, but that is due to my contributions, not growth in the account, as we have just seen, since I have a negative return right now. The Roth IRA, I have planned on putting $850 in this month. I have only put in $350 so far. The account is sitting at $2,007.68, which is $224.02 more than last month. Again, there's a negative return on that account. The growth in that column is just my contributions that I keep putting into that account. I do have a savings account with Betterment. My goal with that account is to get about $3,000 in there by spring, so that way I can have some extra money available to work on house projects as we get it ready for sale. I have not actually put in any money in that account this month, but the account has gone up by 22 cents. That's just the interest that I get from Betterment, which right now is a little over 2%. My cash account is just a savings account that I have with a local credit union. I basically just keep it there so I can keep my credit union account open with them. I don't contribute anything into that account, and it just gets a couple cents interest every month. So that account is sitting at $26.08. The 403B is my retirement account through work, and I'm expecting that about $400 will go in this month. That is my contribution, and my work match is the row beneath that, and I expect my work to contribute about $200 this month. I've only gotten one paycheck in so far, so I have contributed $188.77, and my work has matched $107.87. And as you can see, the account balance for my 403B retirement account is sitting at $45,211.25, which is down quite a bit from last month. In fact, it is down almost $2,200. It's down $2,160.33. The market has really hit my 403B account pretty hard. I have my asset allocation in my 403B, in case you're wondering. It's 95% Vanguard's S&P 500, and the other 5% is the Vanguard total bonds. So that is how that is allocated. And the box that is outlined in bold there, so far for the month, my savings rate is almost 25%, so that's good. That will finalize once I get my last paycheck in for the month. And the Am I Fi Yet section there, I am 3.99% of the way to my financial independence number, which I am saying is going to be $1.2 million. And that is calculated by taking all of the totals of these accounts, that almost $48,000 there. That is 3.99% of $1.2 million. So if you watched my budget wrap-up video for the end of July, you'll have noticed that my FI number at the end of that video was a little over 4%. So it has actually dropped a little bit with all this market downturn. So you'll have that. It is what it is, y'all. And I'll keep trucking along and doing what I'm doing. So, moral of the story is don't panic. Now, of course, I'm not a financial advisor, and none of this should be taken as financial advice. I am just sharing my own investing journey with you for entertainment. But hey, if you would like to panic, be my guest. For me, I am not worried about this downturn in the market in the slightest. I am nowhere near even close to being financially independent, so I do not need these funds that are in my accounts to live off of. These losses that we see in my accounts are just paper losses, y'all. They are not actual losses unless I decide to panic and try to cash out all of my accounts. So my plan is to just keep doing what I'm doing. If I did have a lot of extra money right now, then I would just keep investing and adding more money to these accounts to try to take advantage of this downturn. So yeah, y'all, excuse me, we're talking about investing, excuse. Anyway, the downturns are just part of investing. Don't panic and keep doing what you're doing. If y'all like videos about this is what I do on my channel. I am showing my journey to financial independence. And if you have not yet subscribed, then scroll down and click that subscribe button. I will see y'all in my next video. Thank you for watching. Bye.